guys, so on the way ako ng Manila for my outtaking tomorrow. And mag-check-in kami sa Manila Hotel for overnight. Along with, dito lang kami makeup and hair for the outtaking day. Ito yung room namin na kinuha and it's such a nice place. So malaki siya and okay din naman yung place. So spacious and very clean. Ayan, so quick room tour lang and nakakahiya kasi first time ko itong gagawin sa mga pinag-edit kong video na magkaroon ng voiceover. Pero kasi nakakaloka na mag-edit ng caption siguro. So ito yung place, yan. Then, napag-desisyon na namin ni Char na mag-swimming. Since sayang naman yung stay. And yan, pumibili si Char ng order niyan drink. Tapos ako, medyo na-injure kasi yung left arm.
Nasaan ako?
Okay naman, ang daming bagets. May prom yata. This is me. The morning after. Yan. Parang namamaga pa ako dyan. Tatamad ba? Naginigi pa yata si mami mag-nag dyan. Pero yan. So, gagawin ko lang yung prep ko sa face. And hindi ko to ginagawa lagi. Ngayon lang. So, kailangan ko mag-inis ng face. This afternoon, hilamos and so on. Along with mask and some eye cream na naging freebie nung bumili ako sa Nature Republic. Yan. So, like what I mentioned, bumili ako sa Nature Republic ng mask for this. Kasi nung graduation ko, nag-mask din ako. And nakinompliment ng makeup artist ko yung face ko kasi mabilis nang mag-glide. So, unfortunately, sasabihin ko na rin, hindi siya effective. Hindi ko alam baka maling face mask lang yung binili ko. Or, ewan ko, dahil siguro traditional makeup yung ginamit. Kaya naging hindi effective. Kasi nung graduation ko naman, ang gamit airbrush, tas yun, kinomplement. Yun lang. So, para so, ang magiging ano na to, ASMR na lang. Time check, 8:33. Tanggalin ko to by 35. Grabe, hikap na bukas. Pero, okay naman. Nabuksan ko rin naman siya. And di ko alam if tama yung pag-apply ko. But, yeah. I'm not sure. Ginanyan ko na lang. Circular massage ko na lang ang size ko. Na-mention kasi dun sa packet na i-dab-dab, parang i-tap-tap yung face for better absorption. So, yun ginagawa ko. Ayan. So, dumating na yung makeup artist and hiya ako mag-video kasi ayoko makaabala sa ginagawa niya. Parang yan. Short clip lang. And this is me. Yes, finally, nakapag-makeup na. Ganda-gandahan muna kasi bago umalis. Since 1 PM yung call, 11 yung call time and finally, 1 yung start ng outtaking.
Finally.
Again, another fit check without what I'm wearing. So, I bought that dress from Binondo. Bawal kasi mag-rent, so we have no choice but we have to buy it.
Yes.
So, pupunta na kami sa car. We're on the way to Manila Hotel. I'm sorry, I mean PICC for the outtaking event.
Video ako.
Finally, nasa PICC na and look at the ceiling. It's so beautiful and alongside with my fellow physical therapists that will be taking their oath.
Yang pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila, represented by the Dean of College of Physical Therapy, Sir Leo, and their Associate Dean, Professor Davidson Hernando. The Professional Regulatory Board of Physical Therapy and Occupational
rich or poor, they hurt. Every time you touch them, it hurts. So you have to be really compassionate.
Casino Frances.
Ang daming ganap. Alam niyo naman na yun sa background. On the way. Then, Lord, so super fast forward. Daming nangyari. Pero nakuha kong flowers kina mommy. And of course, to preserve its beauty naman kahit paano. And lengthen its life. Ilalagay ko siya sa vase. So, medyo nag-struggle lang ako i-cut yung tape. Yan. So, nalagay ko na sa vase yung flowers. And I'm trying to, place it pretty. Kasi I know naman na hindi maganda if ilalagay ko lang siya on one side. So, placing it on its proper place sa vase. Yeah, so that's it. Yun na yun, guys. So, thank you for watching.